Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to enable aim assist in T3 Arena. If you are a beginner or just looking to sharpen your accuracy, enabling aim assist in T3 Arena can help you land more shots with ease. First of all, open the T3 Arena app on your device and wait for it to fully load into the main lobby. Once you end up in the lobby, tap on the menu button at the top right corner. Click on Options from the expanded menu. Inside Options, make sure you are inside the Controls tab and tap on Assistive Options at the top. Now click on the On button right next to Aiming Assist. Make sure you also toggle on the button right next to Aiming Assist Snap to Target. And once you do that, you can get back to the main lobby and start playing your game. With Aim Assist enabled, your shots will feel smoother, especially during fast-paced matches. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.